Step-by-step guide to apply Australia. Axiom offers professional guidance to the Bangladeshi students who are intended to study in Australia. We will be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We will review your academic, professional, financial circumstances along with your future study and career plan. According to your needs, we will assist you in selecting a suitable course, place of study and all other related issues. You will get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced counselors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedure etc. until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your study in Australia is as follows. Step-by-step guide to apply Australia. Step 1. Attend a counseling session at Axiom. Attend a counseling session at your Axiom to find out your options relating to study destination, courses available and recommended institutions. Step 2. Register in Axiom. Register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Remember, all our services are free of charge. Step 3. Apply for admission. Once you have decided what and where you want to study, we will help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. At the time of application for admission you will be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and in most cases proof of your English language ability. We will also provide you with a checklist for the documents you will need to provide when the time comes to apply for your visa. Step 7. By submitting your application through us you will be able to track the progress of your application as we send you automatic notifications of its progress. We also take the hard work out of tracking the applications by keeping in contact with the institution on your behalf. Step 4. Pay tuition fee. To accept your offer from an education provider, you must pay the tuition fee. Most Australian institutions require you to pay the first semester fee only. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer, TT, or direct debit, DD. Our value-added services department at Axiom can help you arrange either of these payment methods. Once the institutions have received and processed your tuition fee payment, they will issue you with an electronic confirmation of enrollment, ECO. Once we have received this, we will notify you that it is now time to come back Axiom with your required documents and start the visa application process. Step 5. Visa lodgement. To lodge your visa application you will need to provide the documents outlined in the checklist we provided you in Step 3. Just like your admission application, Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Step 6. Undertake medicals. Within 28 days of lodging your visa application, you will need to undertake a medical examination by one of the doctors approved by the Australian government. Once you have undertaken the medical examination, your doctor will forward the medical reports and documents directly to the visa office. Step 7. Visa outcome. We will notify you as soon as we know the outcome of your visa application so you can come in and collect your grant letter. In most cases, this is a positive response and it means you can also start planning your travel and accommodation for Australia. Step 8. Travel services. At Axiom we can help you organize your travel arrangements to begin your new student life in Australia. Air ticketing, insurance, and foreign exchange can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.